Welcome to the guide video of clean girl makeup look. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yashvi and I'm back with yet another video. And today we are creating this clean girl makeup look. I absolutely love it, and of course you can do the ups and downs according to your choice. This look is very easy and you can create with any product that you have. It's so simple, it's perfect for beginners, so do watch the video till the end. And now let's get started. So the clean girl makeup looks requires a good skincare and then the usage of minimal makeup. It is basically the less coverage makeup, the dewy one, and the goal is to get the no makeup kind of look, perfect for summers, I must say. So yeah, let's start with some good skincare and then we're gonna jump onto the makeup. So first I'm gonna ice my face with this ice roll-on. We all know the benefit of this. It reduces puffiness, and right now it is going to work like a primer because इससे आपके सारे pores off हो जाएंगे so that the makeup don't get absorbed by your skin. It prevents redness and puffiness. So I keep icing my face in this hot summer. So yeah, now after the good icing, I'm gonna jump onto a moisturizer which is hydrating. I'm going to use the Lakme Peach Milk Soft Creme 24 Hours Moisturizer. Now it's time to apply a sunscreen. This is the one that I use. It is the Lakme Sun Expert sunscreen. Face is fully pampered. Now let's apply a lip balm and we're done with our skincare after this. It is the one from Nivea. So this is my post skincare face. Now we can finally jump onto the makeup. We're gonna do the minimal makeup. We'll use all of the products but in a very less amount to make that no makeup kind of look. We'll make sure it is glowy, and the goal is to get that summer clean girl makeup look. You can use any tinted face cream, a less amount of foundation, or just the concealer or any CC or BB cream for this. I'm gonna use the Lakme 925 CC cream. I'm in the shade 03 Bronze, and we're gonna just take some amount, this much. With the help of my finger, I'm gonna use it and on my under eye in an uplifting way. Okay, on my forehead. Using a fluffy brush to blend it all well in. So you can see how perfectly this had made a nice base for my clean girl makeup look. I'm gonna apply more on this mark and a little on my neck. Now I'm going to mattify my face with the Lakme Absolute Compact Powder. This video is not sponsored by Lakme. The shade 01 Classic Ivory. I'm gonna mattify my face with this. Thoda, not too much. I will do the half side of my face and will show you guys the difference. So you can see this side is mattified and this side is not. If you see the difference, there's a clear difference, guys. Now as both sides of my face are mattified with this compact powder, I'm going to use the bronzer or the contour. Now we'll structure our face as we want. It gives some darker effect to my cheekbone and my forehead. And this is how I'm going to contour, very little, just the minimal. We'll blend it well. Will contour my nose, and if you're doing it in an uplifting way, आपका face और sharp लगेगा. It also depends on your technique of applying your blush. We'll definitely show you that later in this video only. Now for the brows, you can see I have bushy brows. I don't need extra on it. I'm just going to comb them a little and that's it. Brow pencil. I'm just going to comb them and that's it. Do my eyes base are already done. We'll apply a very neutral brown shade and a छोटू सा only wing बनाएंगे. There's no eyeliner in this makeup look. हम brown या black color का एक wing बनाएंगे बाहर and that's it. And साथ में neutral eyeshadow करेंगे. Taking this clean brush and using the brown eyeshadow, you can use any palette that you have and just take that neutral brown shade that you like the most and just do your eyes. इसमें मैंने ले लिया, you can see. Just place it and start moving in a rounder motion, circular motion. Okay. The side of your eyes, just dab the eyeshadow brush and you are done. And we're done with the eyes. gonna use this black kajal and just draw a line. We'll do the same this side. You can use an edge brush, just blend it a little. So basically we are doing this to structure our eye. Take some kajal or black eyeshadow on your brush. I'm going to take the edge of this brush and we'll draw a edge here. Oh god. And that's it. You are good to go. I put arrow here and you're good. Okay, so this is the mascara which I'm going to use. Honestly, this mascara don't give that much volume, but it definitely elongates my eyelash, and I had ruined it again. You can see the difference. I'm done with my eyes and they are looking pretty. Now we'll do the blush fatafat, and we are almost done with the look, guys. So for the blush, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty palette. It is the 6 color terracotta palette. I'm going to use this peach and brown shade ka thoda mixture karenge. I'm going to use this fluffy blush brush, taking the both of these shades, dab off the excess. Now I'm going to apply the blush. Just dab it up, and बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाएंगे, minimal blush लगाएंगे. So you need to start from your cheeks and just go uplifting. So I'm going to use some loose powder. We'll take it on my beauty blender. Just divide it. We'll leave it for a while until it sets, and तब तक हम अपना lip कर लेते हैं. Adding a brown lipstick on this. Now dust it off. So now you can see the difference. This is the contour, this is the blush, so it's perfect. Okay, so I have this pink pencil जो कि बहुत थोड़ी सी बची है मेरे पास. इससे I'm going to do my lip liner. Very nice pink shade. This is the shade, guys. Okay, now I'm going to use the highlighter. Use the highlighter on your high points of your face. Little on my nose bridge. Some hair. It's time for the final step. I'm using the setting spray from Sugar, and this is the bottle. I'm going to use this on my face and we are done. Taking it on my blender and we'll use it on my face. So yeah guys, we are done with the makeup. Super glowy, looks flawless, effortless, and ज़्यादा products लगाए हैं हमने but quantity कम रखी है. Eyes में अगर आप age और cat eye नहीं करोगे तो वो और normal हो जाएगा. It's just up to you. And we are done. I'm gonna make the clean girl aesthetic bun and we'll be back. So I actually didn't like that sleek bun on me. I added 2 strands on my face and this is the final look. For this video, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you do like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update from my side to yours. I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.